Let's address the frustrating issue of your Carrier Flexicool AC not connecting to Wi Fi. This often stems from a few common culprits: outdated firmware, network incompatibility, or app related glitches. As of April 2026, many connectivity problems have been resolved through Carrier's firmware updates and app enhancements. We'll guide you through troubleshooting to get your AC back online. Start with the basics. Power cycle your AC unit by unplugging it for a minute, then plug it back in. Ensure your Carrier app, formerly Infinity app, is updated to the latest version 5.1.3 released January 2026. This update includes improved error logging and auto reconnection features. Outdated app versions often lack essential bug fixes and compatibility improvements. If a simple restart doesn't resolve the Wi-Fi connection issue, the next step is to perform a factory reset on your Carrier Flexicool AC unit. Start by locating the reset button on the unit itself. This button is usually found inside the appliance or on the control panel. Consult your user manual for the exact location if you're unsure. Once you've located the reset button, press and hold it for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the unit's lights or display indicating that it's resetting. This process will clear all previous settings, including any existing Wi-Fi connections, returning the unit to its factory default state. After the factory reset completes, open the Carrier app on your mobile device. The app will guide you through the setup process to repair your AC unit with your Wi-Fi network. This involves selecting your AC from the available devices and entering the necessary connection details. During the repairing process, make sure you have your Wi-Fi network password ready. It's important to connect your AC unit to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as some older Flexicool models do not support 5 GHz frequencies. This ensures compatibility and a stable connection. Your router plays a crucial role in Wi-Fi connectivity for your Carrier Flexicool AC unit. Make sure your router is compatible with your AC unit. This includes support for the required Wi-Fi bands and protocols. Avoid using MAC address filtering on your router, as this security feature can block your AC unit from connecting to the network. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection with sufficient bandwidth for smart device communication. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal strength is strong and reliable where the AC unit is located. Weak signals can cause connectivity issues. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to check the signal strength in different locations around your home. This will help you find the best spot for your AC unit. For advanced users, troubleshooting Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Carrier Flexicool AC, start by checking your router settings. Ensure that Universal Plug-and-Play, or UPnP, is enabled on your router. UPnP allows devices to automatically discover and connect to each other on your network without manual configuration, making it easier for your AC unit to join the network. Next, look for potential sources of Wi-Fi interference. Household electronic devices operating on similar frequencies can disrupt your Wi-Fi signal. Common culprits include microwaves, which use 2.4 GHz frequency, cordless phones, and Bluetooth devices. These can cause signal drops or slow connections, especially if they're placed near your AC unit or router. To resolve interference issues, try relocating these interfering devices away from both your Carrier Flexicool AC unit and your router. Moving a microwave to a different room or placing cordless phones and Bluetooth devices farther apart can significantly improve signal strength and connectivity. Firmware updates are essential for maintaining Wi-Fi connectivity in Carrier Flexicool air conditioners. These updates address bugs and improve compatibility with modern networks. Carrier released firmware version 4.2.1 in late 2025 for Flexicool models. This update specifically targets Wi-Fi connectivity problems, including conflicts with older encryption standards. These firmware updates include fixes for outdated encryption protocols, such as WEP and WPA2, which can conflict with today's WPA3-enabled routers. The chart shows the evolution of Wi-Fi security standards. The updates are usually installed automatically through the Carrier app. However, you can manually check for available updates in the app's settings menu or by visiting Carrier's official website. If you have an older Flexicool model, pre-2024 production, it might have hardware limitations. Carrier offered free retrofit kits for Wi Fi modules in their 2026 recall program. Check Carrier's website or contact their customer support to see if your unit qualifies for a free upgrade. This can significantly improve connectivity. Looking ahead, Carrier is integrating AI driven diagnostics that use machine learning to analyze usage patterns and predict potential Wi Fi connectivity problems before they happen. This proactive approach will automatically suggest fixes and prevent disruptions. By 2027, Carrier plans to mandate WPA3 encryption for all new Flexicool units. This advanced security protocol provides stronger protection against unauthorized access and cyber threats compared to older WPA2 standards. Integration with smart home ecosystems like Google Home and Amazon Alexa will simplify connectivity setup. Using protocols like Matter, Flexicool units will automatically discover and connect to your smart home network without complex manual configuration. These advancements in AI diagnostics, enhanced security, and smart home integration promise a future with significantly fewer Wi-Fi connectivity headaches for your Flexicool AC. You'll enjoy more reliable performance and easier maintenance.